Welcome to Vision Academy. Today's current affairs English. Date 28th May 2019. Let us start with national news updates. Mr. Narendra Modi is taking charge as a Prime Minister of India again. This ceremony takes place on May 30th, 2019. President Ramnath Kovind will administer the oath of office and Secretary of Modi. Sri Lanka, Thailand, Nepal, Bhutan among the honored guests at Modi's swearing ceremony on May 30th. Keys to remember, Mr. Narendra Modi will be taking charge as Prime Minister of India on May 30th. Sri Lanka, Thailand, Nepal, Bhutan are the honored guests of the ceremony. Next, let us see international news updates. US President Donald Trump got the red carpet treatment at Japan's Imperial Palace, where he made history, becoming the first world leader to meet with the new Emperor of Japan. Emperor Naruhito ascended to the throne on May 1st, opening what is called the era of Reiwa or beautiful harmony. Keys to remember, Japan's Imperial Palace gave US President Donald Trump the red carpet treatment. He made the history as becoming the first world leader to meet with the new Emperor of Japan. Next, let us see science and tech updates. Researcher team of Indian Institute of Technology, Mandi, have developed a multifunctional gold nanostructure that can be used in cancer imaging and therapy. Nanosystems can simultaneously transfer drug and allow imaging of tumor. Keys to remember, IIT Mandi have developed a multifunctional gold nanostructure that can be used in cancer imaging and therapy. Next, let us see sports news updates. In squash, India's Mahesh Mangonkar triumphed for the second time in the Sikisu Open in Cairns, Switzerland. Sikisu Open is a challenger tour event for the Professional Squash Association, the world body which governs the sports. Keys to remember, in squash, India's Mahesh Mangonkar triumphed for the second time in the Sikisu Open in Cairns, Switzerland. Next, let us see appointments. Indonesia's Anton Aditya Subowo was re-elected as the President of Badminton Asia. As a result, he will be continue as a President for another 4 years. The Badminton Association of India President Himanta Biswa Sharma has also been elected as a Vice President. Keys to remember, Indonesia's Anton Aditya Subowo, who was re-elected as the President of Badminton Asia. He will be continuing his job as a President for another 4 years. Indian President Himanta Biswa Sharma has also been elected as a Vice President. Next, let us see awards. Acharya Balkrishna, the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Patanjali Ayurveda, was felicitated with UNSDG 10 Most Influential People in Healthcare Award at UN Headquarters in Geneva. The United Nations has chosen Acharya Balkrishna among the 10 most influential people in healthcare. Keys to remember, Acharya Balkrishna, the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Patanjali Ayurveda, was felicitated with UNSDG 10 Most Influential People in Healthcare Award. To have a daily current affairs updates, subscribe to Vision Academy and don't forget to press the bell button below. And if you think the video is informative, like this video, share this video, comment below for the doubts.